Hi friends, in this video we study about minor of an element and cofactor of an element, that is adjoint and inverse of a matrix. For adjoint and inverse of a matrix we need minors and cofactors. So here we define here adjoint of a matrix. So before that, what is minor and cofactors? So this suppose A equal to Aij be a square matrix, then the minor of an element Aij is a determinant obtained from determinant of A by deleting the ith row and jth column, and it is denoted by capital Mij. This one I explained in example. And similarly the cofactor is nothing but minor with proper sign. Remember simply, the cofactor of element Aij is minus 1 raised to I plus j into the minor of Aij, and it is denoted by capital Aij. And the matrix obtained by replacing every element of its cofactor is called the cofactor matrix, and the transpose of its is the adjoint of the matrix. Means, so whatever the matrix from given A, we find cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix means corresponding every element is replaced, then we get whatever matrix get is called a cofactor matrix, and its transpose we get adjoint of the matrix. For example, you consider the matrix. This matrix we find minors and cofactors, and each this is suppose minor of 1. Here we minor of 1, here we write this cofactor 1, cofactor of 1, cofactor of 3, cofactor of 1, corresponding all the elements we find, and that matrix obtained is called cofactor matrix, and transpose of that matrix is nothing but adjoint of the matrix. And note that if determinant of A is of order n, the minor of Mij is of an element Aij is a determinant of order n minus 1. Means, if suppose this is a matrix of order 3, 1 2 1 3 1 means this is 3 cross 3 matrix, so determinant is of order 3. So we find minor of this 1. If suppose here we find minor of 1, what is the minor of 1? Means neglecting that row and that column, so remaining this determinant is of order 2. So if determinant of A is of order 1, order n, then minor Mij is an element Aij is a determinant of order n minus 1. Hence the proof, and this is the explanation, that note. So here we find the minors and cofactors. For this example, consider matrix 1 3 1 2 1 0 0 2 minus 1. Finding minors and cofactors. How to find minors and cofactors? Consider the matrix A equal to, that is 1 3 1 2 1 0 and 0 2 minus 1. So minor of 1 is M11 means first row and first column. First row, first column, M11 is nothing but minor of A11. Means consider this is A11, A22, 12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This like this comes up to A33, means third row, third column. So minor of A11 is nothing but minor of this 1. Minor of 1 how to get? That is neglecting this row and this column. So determinant we obtained is a determinant of 1 0 2 minus 1. Elements comes 1 0 2 minus 1. That is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 0 equal to minus 1. Similarly, M12 means first row, second column, means minor of this 3. Minor of 3 is determinant of, that is neglecting this row and this column. Elements are determinant of 2 0 0 minus 1. That is 2 0 0 minus 1 is minus 2. That is equal to minus 2 comes. Similarly, M13 means minor of this one. Minor of this one is neglecting this row and this column. The determinant of 2 1 0 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 0 is 4 comes. Next M23 means this minor of this one. neglecting this row and that is second row and third column. M23 means minor of 0, second row and third column. So elements are 1 3 0 2, that is 2 minus 0 is 2 comes. Similarly, M32 means minor of, that is third row second column element is 2. So that is equal determinant of neglecting third row and second column. So we get value, determinant value is 1 1 2 0. 1 into 0 0 minus 2 ones are 2, that is equal to minus 2. Next, M33 means minor of minus 1, because here third row third column element is minus 1. So this minor is neglecting this row and this column, this row and this column element are 1 3 2 1. Here it comes 1 3, that is minor of 3 3 means 1 3 2 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 3 2s are minus 6, that is equal to minus 5 comes. Now what is cofactor? Cofactor is nothing but minor of an element with proper sign. Remember this one. So A11 means cofactor of first row and first column. The element is 1. Cofactor of 1 is minus 1 raised to 1 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 I plus j. 1 plus 1 into minor of 1. Minor of 1 value we have got, that is minus 1. Into this one is minus 1 comes. Next, A21 means second row first column. The cofactor of the second row first column element is here 2. Minor of cofactor of 2 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. And into minor of 2. Minor of 2 we have got a value, that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 is minus. Determinant of 3 1 2 minus 1, that is minus of minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 into this 5 is plus 5. Minus 5 into minus sign, that is plus 5 comes. Means what is cofactor? Means cofactor is nothing but minor of that element with a proper sign. So now how to get a sign? That is, sign is nothing but the element which occurs on corresponding ith row and jth column. So if I plus j is the sum is even, the sign is positive. If sum is odd, the sign should be negative. For example, here this 2 plus 1 is 3. This is odd, so sign is negative comes. Similarly, A13 means 1 plus 3 is 4. The sign should comes positive. A13 means cofactor of 1, that is first row third column element is 1. We have find the minor is 4. 4 into 1 is, that is 4 comes. Cofactor is also 4. So from this one we observe that it is minus 1 raised to I plus j is positive or negative according as I plus j is even or odd. And for 3 cross 3 matrix we know that the sign of minus 1 raised to I plus j is positive negative positive negative positive negative positive negative positive. Means here in this matrix always consider the first row is positive, first row first element is positive, then alternative sign comes negative positive. If this is positive means this is negative positive, this is positive negative positive, this is negative, this is positive. So alternative first always consider positive. Positive means this is negative comes, then positive. Alternative sign you take, then it is easy to find a minus and cofactors. And for 2 cross 2 matrix sign should be positive negative negative positive. And here one note, the elements of a row or column are multiplied with cofactors of any other row or column, then their sum is 0. That is, if suppose A is a matrix, A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix, and the cofactor matrix is obtained is corresponding cofactors of that element. Cofactor of A11 is capital A11, cofactor of A12 is capital A12. This is the cofactor of the corresponding this small elements, that is small aij's. So the first notes indicates that the elements of a row or column, this given matrix row or these columns are multiplied with cofactors of any other row, that is cofactor matrix of any other row, then their sum is 0. means here A11 into A21 plus A12 means here this is we take sum. This is first row corresponding elements multiply with this cofactor matrix of third row, their sum should be 0, that is A11 into A31 plus A12 into A32 plus A13 into A33. This sum is 0 comes, that is we have explained here A11. We take second row here, any other row, don't take same row. This is A11, this row of this given matrix A and the corresponding cofactor matrix, the second row we take, then the corresponding elements multiplied, their sum should be 0 here. That is A11, A21 plus A12, A22 plus A13, A23 equal to 0. And a second note indicates that the sum of the product of elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors is equal to the value of the determinant. That is, if we multiply the matrix A of elements, that is first row, with respect to cofactor matrix of elements first row, then their sum is equal to the value of the determinant. That is delta equal to A11 plus A12, this A12 plus A13. This sum is value of determinant, any row or column we take, not only first row or first column. So corresponding this is, now here if you take, that is with respect to this row and cofactor matrix of this row, the sum is equal to value of determinant. And if we take this row with respect to this row, the value should be 0 comes. In example, we clarify here, find minor sign cofactors of the elements of the determinant 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7 and verify that A11 A31 plus A12 A32 plus A13 A33 means elements of this first row with respect to cofactor of the cofactor matrix of third row, means A31 whatever we get here cofactor matrix, their sum should become 0, and this second row with respect to cofactor matrix of second row, that should becomes value delta. We prove here. So first we find minor sign cofactors. What is the M11 means minor of this 2. Minor of 2 comes, that is neglecting that row and that column. Here we don't take a sign. For only cofactors we take proper sign. Minor means only neglecting that row and column, remaining value of determinant is nothing but the minor of that element. That is 0 4 5 minus 7. That comes, that is 0 into minus 7 is 0, 5 4s are minus 20 means minus 20. So corresponding cofactor of 2 is with proper sign. So here always first sign should be positive, means 2 value sign is positive, so positive of minus 20 is minus 20. Next M12 means minor of this 3. Minor of minus 3. Minor of minus 3 is neglecting that row and column. This row and this column neglect. Remaining is determinant of value is 6 4 1 minus 7. 6 minus 42 minus 4, that is minus 46 comes. Next cofactor of this minus 3 is minus 3 means lies in first row and second column. This always sign is negative, means negative of this minor. Minus of minor value is minus 46, that comes positive 46. Next M13 means that is neglecting this. M13 means minor of 5, that is neglecting this first row and third column. So remaining determinant value, that is 6015, determinant of 6015 here left. So that is equal to 6 by 30 minus 0 is 30, and first row third column is this sign is positive. Always remember, positive means sign A13 is cofactor is sign positive, that A13 is 30 comes only. Next M21 means minor of 6. Minor of 6 means neglecting that row and column, that is second row, this first column left, and sign should be sign, what it comes, cofactor for sign is negative comes, because this is positive means this second value is negative comes. So minor of 6 is the neglected row and column elements is, that is determinant of minus 3 5 5 minus 7, that is minus 3 5 5 minus 7 is 21 minus 25 equal to minus 4 comes, and this is negative, so cofactor is minus of this minor is minus 4, minus of minus 4 is plus 4. Next, similarly m22 comes, that is minor of 0 comes, that is minus 19, and cofactor is a22 is minus 19. This is because second row second column is plus 4 come, plus value. Next m23 means second row third column, the second row third column is negative sign comes, for cofactor is negative, and minor of 4 comes, that is plus 10 plus 3, determinant of this is 2 5 was 10, 1 into minus, this sign is minus means we take positive value, that is 10 plus 3 is 13, a23 is minus 13. Why we take positive? Because expanding this determinant the middle sign should be negative comes, but any one of is negative, the middle sign is positive. If both are positive, middle sign is negative. If both are negative, middle sign is negative. Remember this one. Next, m31 is minor of 1 is determinant of minus 3 5 0 4, that is minus 12 minus 0 is minus 12. a31 is minus 12, because 3 plus 1 is 4 means positive sign comes, means minor keep as it is. Next, m32 comes, that is minus 22, so cofactor is opposite of this sign, because a32 means third row second column, 3 plus 2 is 5, so this comes positive sign, a32 is 22. Similarly, m33 is 18 comes, that is determinant of minor of minus 7 is determinant of 2 minus 3 6 0, 0 plus 18, that is 18, and a33 positive comes, that is 18, means now we find here, that is prove that is a11 a31 plus a12 a32 plus a13 a33 equal to a11 values are, that is first row elements are 2 minus 3 and 5, that is 2 into a31 we find here minus 12, a12 is, that is minus 3, plus a32 is we got here value 22, plus a13 is 5, a33 is 18 value comes, that is the sum should be minus 24 minus 66 plus 90, 5 8 is 90, 6 22 are minus 20 minus 66, and 12 2s are 24, minus 24 comes, so this value is minus 90 plus 90 is 0, and hence the proof. And next one we prove that the same row with respect to cofactor matrix of same row, that sum should be comes value determinant. We clarify here, that is a21 plus a22 plus a23 is, we get here, that is a21 is 6, capital A21 is 4 value comes, plus 0 into capital A22 is minus 13, plus 4 into capital A23 value is minus 13. So therefore that is 24 minus 52 is minus 28. Consider equation 1, and then where determinant of value is expanding this determinant, we get it is 2 into bracket 0 minus 20, minus of minus 3 into bracket minus 42 minus 4, plus 5 into bracket 30 minus 0, that is equal to minus 40 minus 138 plus 150. That is this expanding this determinant along first row, we get this value, that is minus 28. Hence from equation 1 and 2, this clarifies the note 2, that is the sum of elements of any row or column with respect to corresponding same row or column of that cofactor matrix is equal to the value of determinant. Hence this solution. Next here is one example. Using cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate delta. By second row evaluate delta means we find cofactor of second row, cofactor of this 2 0 and 1, and then multiplying that corresponding elements with 2 0 1, their sum should their sum what it comes, that is nothing but value of determinant. By second note, here we clarify here, that is finding the cofactor of 2 is, first we find minor of 2, minor of 2 is here, that is determinant of that is deleting this row and this column. So determinant of 3 8 2 3, 3 8 2 3 is 3 3s are 9 minus 16 is minus 7, and corresponding cofactor of 2 equal to this sign is negative, so plus 7 comes, because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 is 3 means odd, or minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 comes, and corresponding minor is minus 7, minus 7 plus 7. M22 means cofactor minor of this 0. Minor of 0 is determinant of neglecting that second column and second row. So therefore 5 8 1 3, determinant of 5 8 1 3 is 15 minus 8 equal to 7, and A22 this sign is positive, so A22 comes 7. Similarly M23 means this is minor of 1, that is second row, neglecting second row and third column. So for determinant of 5 3 1 2, 5 3 1 2 is 5 2s are 10 minus 3 equal to 7, and A23 that is minus 7 comes, because this sign is negative here, one sign is negative, this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. So therefore their sum should be here A21 capital A21 plus A22 capital A22 plus A23 capital A23 is 2 into 7 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into minus 7, that is 14 minus 7 equal to 7, and hence the solution. So here end of this minus and cofactors, and this minus and cofactors, using this one we find adjoint of a matrix, and so this method is used in finding the inverse of a matrix also. So remember this minus and cofactors. Remaining examples, here are I given some examples, that is find the minus and cofactors elements of the following determinants. You have to try yourself, find a corresponding minus and cofactors, because this is very useful in finding the adjoint of a matrix. So next video we continue about adjoint of a matrix. So here we stop here. So thank you one and all.